Hi everyone, I'm Karen. I'm so excited to share a business idea to the class. The purpose of the product was assess the effectiveness of the use of alcohol hand sanitizer in the school to help decrease the illness and protect teachers and the students. Here's the problem. Kids like the attractive and cute design. Parents need high quality product for value cleaning. Majority of schools have high demand. More than 2,000 people have died from COVID in the U.S. One of the studies shows that among 16 elementary schools and 6,000 students, researchers find the use of hand sanitizer in the classroom reduced the absenteeism by a huge 20%. The U.S. hand sanitizer is expected to grow. Since eruption of COVID-19 pandemic, the peak is likely to continue for the next 2 years and would start to normalize after 2020. We have underlined magic. The students like the cartoon design, and you could tell supplier your customized request. This product was passed ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. They are above the integrated standard, so parents can trust the quality of the products. The market strategy aimed the big retail companies such as Walmart, Target, Costco, online marketing, Amazon, social media, Facebook, and Instagram. Lastly, I wish this product will satisfy customers' needs and bring the value to the community. Thank you for listening.